We know that understanding university scholarships can at times be confusing. That's why we've put together this short video as part of our International Student Support Series here at NCUK. My name is Rob, I'm a University Partnerships Executive at NCUK, and this video is Understanding University Scholarships. University scholarships are essential to many students' decision making, but with so many different scholarships available, how do you know how to make the most of them? Firstly, scholarships are typically limited in number, therefore it's vital to be prepared to maximise your chances of securing one. These scholarships are awarded by and funded by universities. These can be based on academic merit for students from specific countries, or made available specifically for NCUK students. Some of these require you to apply to be considered, and some are automatically assessed as part of your application. It is important to check online to ensure you do not miss out. You can usually find information about these scholarships on a university's website or the scholarships section of our NCUK website. Some scholarships, such as Chevening scholarships, are provided by external organisations or government bodies. Many universities advertise these on their websites, but you can sometimes use search engines to find relevant ones. We've also put a list together online on the scholarships section of our NCUK website, ncuk.ac.uk/scholarships, to help you with your research. Thank you for watching this video about understanding university scholarships. We look forward to sharing more valuable videos with you in the future. Have a great day.